Assalamu alaikum, sir. Respected teacher and all my classmates present there, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to our presentation. We are Group 6 and we are going to present on business strategies of Pran Pharmaceutical Limited. Moving on the next slide. This is our group profile. I'm Tawqir Ahmed, my is 315. Next slide. Now I'm going to talk about corporate strategy. A key part of the corporate strategy planning phase is to identify the corporate strategy components. These are the starting points for Pran Pharmaceutical Limited's corporate strategy and arguably the foundations of the organization itself. Mission of Pran Pharma. Mission of Pran Pharma is to preserve and improve patients' health by consistently delivering high quality, safe, and effective pharmaceutical products and service that meet customer expectations. Vision. Vision is to be the leading pharmaceutical company in Bangladesh in terms of expertise, innovation, and responsible entrepreneurship, and want to make a visible presence in international market with high quality products and service. Core values. There are three core values. First one is Pran aims to be a world-changing team. Second one is the greater the challenge, the more passionately Pran will rise to meet it. The last one is Pran acts with dignity and pride. Next slide. This slide is about organizational structure. Corporate focus. The vision, mission, and core values of Pran Pharma are to emphasize the quality of products, process, and services leading to growth of the company imbibed with good governance. Board of Directors. As per provisions of the Article of Association, the Board of Directors holds periodic meetings to resolve issues of policies and strategies, recording decisions for implementation by the executive management. Executive management. The executive management is headed by the chief executive officer, who has been delegated necessary and adequate authority by the board of directors. The executive management operates through further delegation of authority at every stage of the line management. That was all from me. Now I would like to invite Taslima Tabassum to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Tawqir. Greetings to everyone. This is Taslima Tabassum, bearing ID 329, and I'm going to talk about the business level strategy of Pran Pharmaceuticals Limited. So the business level strategy is the action plan of value creation for customers and developing competitive advantage for the company through a firm's core competencies in the industry. So there are four generic business level strategies. The first one is cost leadership strategy. This strategy is for firms that want to compete in a broad customer base based on low-cost products. In order to gain profit, a firm has to continuously maintain its efficiency, and it also requires the firm to have standardized products and services under this strategy. The second strategy is the differentiation of products and services. This strategy is for the firms that want to compete in a broad customer base based on their unique products and services. In order to stay competitive in the market under this strategy, a firm has to continuously create products with unique features, which requires the firm to invest in the research and development. That's why the product prices are usually high with high quality. The third strategy is focused cost leadership. This strategy is for the firms that want to compete in a narrow market base based on low price. This strategy is for firms that want to serve a niche market or a subset of market with low cost products. This strategy requires a firm to focus on serving a small customer base and understanding their needs thoroughly, so that the firm can gain efficiency and become more effective in cutting down the unnecessary cost and increase the profit margin. The last strategy is called the focused differentiation of products and services. This strategy is for firms that want to compete in the narrow customer base based on their uniqueness of products and services. This strategy requires a firm to select a small market segment that is more profitable or a segment where the competition is the least. So now I'm going to talk about the suitable strategy for the Pran Pharmaceuticals Limited. Based on our company's internal and external analysis, it is identified that the cost leadership strategy is suitable for the company because it will allow the company to capture the broad market and make sustainable profit with the help of its parent group's reputation, despite of the existing competitors in the market, which are considered to be some of the strongest companies in our country. Another strategy is that focused differentiation strategy is considered to be suitable for the Pran Pharmaceuticals Limited in case when the company takes over a small niche market pharmaceuticals through acquisition in order to increase the market share. That way, the Pran Pharmaceuticals Limited can acquire a niche market segment and the production system of the sophisticated drugs and medical equipments all together. In that way, the company will have less R&D expenditure, and that will eventually increase the profit margin and increase the shareholders' values and assets. So the next part of the presentation is about functional level strategy, and it will be presented by Tuhin. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. This is Muhammad Tuhin Hossain. In this section, I'll be discussing about functional level strategy. So we have identified 5 functional level strategies. The first one is sales and marketing strategies. Sales and marketing strategies is followed by product strategies, pricing strategies, place and distribution strategies, and promotional strategies. For product strategies, it is suggested that the Pran Pharmaceutical Company will be following product development strategy for producing essential drugs. And for pricing strategies, it is suggested that Pran Pharmaceutical Company Limited will be following presentation pricing, where the company will be lowering its product's price to be sustained in the marketplace. Going to the next slide. Place and distribution strategies. For place and distribution strategies, the company will be following both physical wholesale stores and web-based e-commerce stores. For promotional strategies, it is suggested that the company will be following both clinic and in-clinic and out-of-clinic promotional mix. They also use to promote their products by clinical trials and studies, content marketing, and other digital platforms also. Moving to the next slide. This is all about HR strategies. For HR strategies, the company must consider the following strategies, that are talent management, continuous improvement, knowledge management, resource, high skill employees, employee learning and development, rewarding, and employee relations for the long-term success. And the next slide is all about finance strategies. For financing, the company will be using rollover assets from its core business, Pran RFL Limited. They also manage management contract with limited equity investment or major equity investment. If possible, they can also use ownership financing from different organizations or individuals. So that's all about my part. Now I am inviting my next presenter to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Tuhin, for inviting me. Hello, everyone. I am Tania Akhtar, bearing ID 331, and now I'm going to present the research and development strategies of Pran Pharmaceutical Limited. And the R&D strategy includes activities to innovate and introduce new medicine in the market, and it depends on the market demands and needs. R&D department conducts market research, cooperation with the marketing team to know about the new changing environment of market needs. And it enables Pran to introduce differentiating products in a technological complex. Next slide, please. Now the communication process. Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place, person, or group to another. It implies the process of transmitting message to receiver to obtain a response. It is also a fundamental to survival and existence of human as well as an organization. Now the vertical communication. Communication flows vertically within downward and upward direction. And as an example for downward communication is like the senior managers of sending notice to the employees regarding the meeting and informing about the company policies. And as example for upward communication is like request for the loans and submitting in the progress report. Horizontal communication. Horizontal communication takes place between different functional units and division one and another. As per example, on Pran Pharma senior production manager or contract with the finance manager to know about the purchase of raw materials. Next slide, please. Enterprise resource planning of Pran. It refers to the type of software organization used to manage day-to-day business activities such as accounting, supply chain management, risk management, process management, and compliance. Pran uses enterprise resource planning system to tie together a multitude of business process and the flow of data between them, and it eliminates the data duplication and provide data integrity between them. That's all from me, and now I'm going to invite Mirajul Islam to continue the session. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanya, for inviting me. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Myself, Mirajul Islam, bearing ID 312. And now I would like to discuss about corporate governance of Pran Pharma and its change management process. First one is corporate governance of Pran Pharmaceuticals. Pran Pharmaceuticals has a reputation to maintain a good corporate governance, and it's a fundamental issue to its business. And it arranges outreaching programs to engage its shareholders and investors with the company's policy. And it has a board of directors that comprise entirely of directors and independent directors, except its chairman Azhar J.K. Choudhury and its managing director Hasnat Khan Choudhury. And it fosters shareholder value and affects shareholder confidence. Then it has several board committees. The first one is audit committee. It is in charge of overseeing financial reporting and disclosure. And this audit committee meets 4 times in a year. And Mr. Abdus Salam FCA is the current chairman of this committee. Then compensation committee, which is involved in reviewing the remuneration of managing director, directors, and independent directors. It is also responsible for designing remuneration policy and incentives plans. And currently, Uzma Choudhury is the chairman of this committee. Then regulatory and compliance committee, it's responsible for overseeing and reviewing the company's healthcare law compliance programs. And Advocate Fazlur Rahman is the current chairman of this committee. Then science and technology committee, it's responsible for examining management's direction and investment in companies' pharmaceutical research and development and technology. And Dr. Mahmoud Mohiuddin is the current chairman of this committee. Then change management process. Change management process is basically a systematic approach to deal with the transition and transformation of organizational goals, process, and technology. It has 5 stages. First one, for preparing organization for change. Pran needs to preparing employees for both culturally and logically. Even managers need to motivate employees to understand the significance of changes. For instance, if Pran wants to produce famotidine, which is invented by Astellas Pharma Incorporation, then it needs to arrange cultural training for its employees to adapt to Japanese culture. Then crafting vision and plan. In this case, Pran sets a vision and plans for bringing changes. And the vision of Pran is becoming the largest producer of gastrointestinal medicine of Bangladesh. And it has set some key performance indicators like standard time record for unit production. And then implementing the changes, it brings some changes like decision making process, production process, employee behaviors in this stage. Even it provides functional managers some decision making power. And it also ensures the participation of employees in decision making process. And embedded changes within company culture. In this stage, Pran makes some radical changes in company culture. It also encourages employees innovation to minimize organizational expenses like sales and marketing expenses. It also enhances production capacity. Then lastly, review progress. In this stage, top management review the implemented changes. And they also make some modification of the implemented changes to ensure that the changes are attaining organizational vision and plans. And that's all from our group. Thank you, sir, for listening us with patience.